after looking at all of these, y'all, and just giving them my first initial impression, my top 3 that I'm gonna go with these is, what up, y'all, it's your boy CKid here, man. Now, you probably coming from my previous video that I just did where I unboxed the iPhone 13 Pro as well as showing you guys the iPhone 13 in the product red. Now, the one that I think is probably gonna be the most popular color is gonna be this iPhone 13 Pro in the Sierra Mist, or if you guys go for the Max, that's probably gonna be a popular color as well. Now, to me, I told you guys in that video, I like this Sierra blue color. I think it looks dope, but y'all already know, man, most of the time people are gonna put cases on these phones anyway. So I went ahead and picked up every single iPhone 13 Pro case that they offer in literally every single freaking color, including even the clear case. So in this video, man, I'm gonna show you guys every single case that goes on this phone here, and so that way you guys can make the best decision on which color looks the best to you when you got it placed on this Sierra blue color, because this is a very unique color, man. So yeah, so I'm curious to see myself which one I'm gonna like as well. So let's go ahead and unbox all of these bad boys and show y'all what they look like. All right, y'all, so we got literally every single case here that you guys can pick up for the iPhone 13 Pro, and I'm gonna be trying on each and every single one of these on this phone and showing you real quick which one looks the best. So let's go ahead and just start here at the top, and then we're just gonna kind of work our way down. So all right, here's the first one here. This color here that we got is called Pink Pomelo. So let's go ahead and take it out of the case. This is what the case is gonna look like as far as the unboxing. Now, this experience is pretty much going to be the same for every single one of these. This is the case right here. Now, I ain't gonna lie, it definitely feels extremely good in the hands for sure. So let's go ahead and plop it in here. There we go. Now, this is probably not going to be a case that I rock personally, but I will say, as far as the case in itself, it does feel really good. Now, typically, I'm not a fan of Apple cases just because, one, the price is just ridiculously high, but I will say though, man, they cases are definitely very high quality, because man, this feels like I'm just got suede in my hands. Like, I don't know, it feels really good though. All right, so the next one we're gonna try here is the clear case. Now, I've seen this case, but I actually haven't yet tried it, so I want to just try it out here real quick, just kind of see what it looks like, if it's worth me actually getting, because I am more of a fan of clear cases than I am with any other style case, just simply because like I like the look of phones. So I feel like clear cases still give me that protection without having to sacrifice the look of my phone, or at least just kind of showing it off. But here is the clear case right here. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not a huge fan of this white like Magsafe cutout here that they got kind of showing off. I mean, I get why they did it. They probably have to because of the magnet or whatever that's here, but I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of that ring right there in the middle of it. It just kind of takes from the look of the phone for real. But now, this case here is very different than this one, because you can see here, here's the difference. Now, when it comes to the clear case, you don't have full protection over the speaker grills like you do here on something like the silicone case. So there is a major difference in between those two that you guys can see right then and there. All right, now this one is actually really hard to see on the box as far as on camera though, but this is called Chalk Pink. I think this is called Chalk Pink. Now, this one here, you getting a real soft, really like really light pink color. So if this is gonna be your flavor that you want, then this is gonna be a case for you. Now, I ain't gonna lie, like if you into the whole pink vibe, then the pink and kind of like this slate grayish blue actually don't look bad on the case. I ain't even gonna front. Again, man, these silicone cases that they got is just extremely comfortable, man. Like, it is, wow. Like, this material though, I ain't even gonna lie, it's actually really good. And it also don't feel too slippery either. Like I said, kind of hard to really see the pink, but it is a really light pink color that you get here on this phone. So nonetheless, looks pretty good. All right, so the next one that we got here is called Blue Jay. So all right, so this is called Blue Jay here. Go ahead and pull this one out. This is the Blue Jay color. Got the nice little suede material here on the inside, cut out for the camera. Let's go ahead and plop this right in here like so. Fits good in there. This one here, I feel like it don't provide enough contrast for me to really like go with the blue. But again, if you're trying to match your blue, kind of the blue to blue, then you know, this might be cool with it or whatnot if you kind of want that more low profile look of it. But for me, I feel like if I'm getting a case, I do want something that's gonna be a nice contrast to it versus having something that kind of match too much. But nonetheless, man, I will say the case don't look bad on it. It's just probably not my style as far as matching it with this Sierra blue color. Actually, that's one thing I want to try. I want to try and see can you put these iPhone 13 Pro cases on the iPhone 13? So let's see real quick. All right, so I got an iPhone 13 right here. I'm just curious to see. This is just for science. This is just for science. All right, so this is the iPhone 13. All right, so it actually fits, but the camera, the camera looks crazy on it though. But as far as the fit go, it actually does fit with this case though. So for science, there you have it. All right, y'all, so the next one that we have up here is called Chase Clover. Got Chase Clover. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of like this Chase Clover color that we got going on right here. Plop that in like so. Boom. Now this one don't look so bad, especially going into like fall season. I can definitely see myself rocking this color for sure. Looking at the bottom of it right here. I ain't mad at this. I'm calling it forest green, but although they call it something else, I'm calling it forest green. But yeah, it actually don't look so bad, man. This is the case color for the green case for the Sierra Blue. All right, so the next one we got in line is called Abyss Blue. All right, so this one's gonna be Abyss Blue. Now this one's gonna be a little darker than the other one that I just showed you guys, which was the other kind of lighter blue color. So this one here is called Abyss Blue, and you can see here it is definitely darker for sure. Now this one here might provide a little bit better contrast because the phone in itself is lighter, and then the case here is a lot darker. You're getting better contrast when it comes to this case than you did with the other one. I feel like it was just a little lighter. This is the blue on blue if you want to go that route when it comes to the case. All right, so the next one that we got here, now this is the one I'm actually hyped for to pair with it, and this one's called Marigold. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off, pop this open, and let's try this Marigold color. Now again, this is the one I think is going to look the best with this phone, but I could be wrong. But let's see. Boom, pop that in like so. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Oh yeah, that's it right there. All right, so this is the Marigold color, man. I like this one here. This is probably my top favorite one, man, as far as the color going with this Sierra Blue for sure. So again, let me know down in the comment section below what y'all think as far as this color go with the combo, but I'm digging this Marigold color for sure, man. This might be the one I actually keep. Got my volume buttons. That's going to be kind of a two-tone look of it, which actually matches the camera cutout ring that they have there, as well as the Apple logo too, as far as the buttons on the side. That is something that I just noticed with the cases. But yeah, man, I'm digging this blue and this orange vibe right here. This is, yeah, this might be the wave right here. All right, so we got two more left. Now this one here is going to be our product red. Now again, if you get product red, there is a cause that you guys are donating for when it comes to the product red, so it is going towards a good cause as far as a portion of the money spent. So this is the product red color that you have right here, and then let's go ahead and plop this right in here and see what this looks like. Now the front with the red and black always gonna look dope. Now let's go ahead and flip it on to the back here. You guys can see here, oh yeah, this looks fire too. I ain't gonna lie, the blue with the red don't look bad either. Oh man, now I got decisions. Hold on, let me put these two side by side. Decisions. Let me know which one y'all like best down in the comment section below. But yeah, I'm digging the product red too, and plus it's going for a good cause, so I can't be mad at that either though. But yeah, I'm digging the product red too though. Definitely looks fire. All right, y'all, so last but not least, man, we got Midnight. Now this one here is called Midnight. This is going to be its all black case, or more of like a black slate grayish style case, because it's definitely not a jet black, but it is an all black case nonetheless. So let's go ahead and plop this on here. Boom, like so. Okay, now this giving me Dark Knight vibes right here. I ain't mad at this one either with the black and blue. Oh man, now I really got choices I gotta make, but this is the all black one. Again, you got your buttons here on the side that's gonna match the camera cutout as well as the Apple logo. Just remember, when it comes to the clear case that I just showed you guys, the clear case does not have a full protection here under the speaker grills here. It is a cutout there, so you don't get that full protection on those like you do on the Apple soft silicone cases. So just keep that in mind if you guys are interested in the silicone cases, or you're looking at the clear case as well. And then also what I like about these as well is that you don't get that ring cut out like you get on the clear case as well, because I'm just, and be honest with y'all, man, that's just not the vibe I like. Nonetheless though, this is the all black Midnight case here. Definitely looks dope, very sleek looking, very low profile. If you don't want to necessarily stand out with your phone, then you can definitely go this route as well. All right, so after looking at all of these, y'all, and just giving them my first initial impression of these, I'm gonna give y'all my top 3 and probably like my least favorite one out of all of these. All right, so starting with the top three. So my top three that I'm gonna go with these is, I gotta go, obviously y'all already know, hold on, let me grab it. Y'all already know I'm going with this color right here. Now, I think this color here looks absolute fire when it comes to putting it on something like this Sierra Blue. I just think it definitely looks really good on here, man. It feels really good in the hands, and it is definitely a for sure win, for sure, if you're looking for that. So I would recommend that color. My next one I'm probably gonna recommend is, I'm actually gonna recommend this green color. I'm calling it forest green, but I know they calling it a whole different color. But I do like this green on the Sierra Blue as well. I think it looks dope. You can pair it with some nice kicks or whatever. And it also gives me fall color vibes too. So I think the green one is gonna be a dope one for sure. And then my last but not least actually comes down between these two colors, but I always feel like I gotta go black because I feel like you can never go wrong with the black color. There's a couple reasons why I'm picking this color, because when you get something like black color cases or anything like that, it's never gonna show dirt over time. This is why I think the black case is probably gonna be one of the better ones that you can get, just simply because you're not gonna really get a lot of wear and tear as far as the look go when it comes to this all black case, because it's just not gonna show dirt like it could possibly show dirt on this orange color looking one. So just keep that in mind. But I would say my top three, these are definitely gonna be my top three cases for sure. All right, so the last thing I promised y'all I was gonna give y'all my least favorite. And honestly, as much as I love clear cases, I gotta go, this is probably my least favorite, only because if there was a way that they could hide this white ring here from showing on the back, then I think I'll be good to go with this, because I do like the quality of this case. The quality of this case actually feels really good in the hands, but I just don't like this standout white ring that just shows up in the back. But again, I get why they had to do it for the clear case, but I just wish there was another way that they could like hide it or do something. But nonetheless, this is probably gonna be my least favorite. But there you guys have it, man. This is all of the cases that you guys can get with the iPhone 13 Pro unboxed for you guys, showing you guys here so you guys can make the best decision for your purchase. So if you guys want to check out my other video where I unbox the iPhone, and then I also got other videos that is coming up here, and definitely be on the lookout for this iPad mini video that I got coming for you, because it's gonna be absolute fire. But nonetheless, man, thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.